Hello students, now we will see question number 2 of exercise 4.3 chapter 4 simple equations of standard 7th NCERT. Now we have seen in question number 1 how to solve equation, how to transpose the terms from LHS part to RHS part by changing the sign. Now question number 2 is solve the following equations. This is also same like question number 1, but in this brackets are given to us. As you can see, brackets are given. So first we will solve the brackets, and then after that our steps will be same. So this is also very easy. So we will see how to do this. So first one is 2 into bracket x plus 4. Now whenever brackets are given, first of all you need to open the bracket. Then you have to do the other steps. So here 2 is in multiplication with this whole bracket. Okay, from here to here x plus 4. So whatever is given inside the bracket, with that both part, this 2 should be multiplied. So our first step will be, we will open the brackets. First we have to open the bracket. So how we will open the bracket? So 2 is given here and x plus 4 is given in the bracket. So this 2 will get multiplied with x also, and this 2 will get multiplied with 4 also. This 2 which is given outside, it will get multiplied with whatever is given in the bracket. Okay, if in the bracket 3 things are given, 2 things are given, or whatever terms are given, it will get multiplied with all the terms. Okay, so first we will multiply 2 into x. First 2 into x. So first we are multiplying 2 with x. So 2 into x. Then plus this sign, and now we will multiply 2 into 4. So 2 into 4. Okay, and our RHS part will be as it is, 12. No change over here. Now brackets are opened. We have opened the brackets. 2 we have taken inside and we have multiplied with both. So bracket open कर देंगे. ये 2 जो है वो अंदर दोनों से multiply हो जाएगा, and then bracket will get removed or eliminated. Now 2 into x. 2 into x means 2x. Okay, no sign means multiplication sign. So 2 into x can be written as 2x. Plus 2 into 4 will be 2 4s are 8. And this equal to 12. Now this is our simple equation. Now from here, just like what we have done in previous question, that way we will solve it. Okay, bracket open, and then just like our simple steps of equations. Now this plus 8 we will take it to RHS part, so it will become minus 8. So here only 2x will be left, and this side 12 is there, and this plus 8 I am transposing, means I am taking to RHS part. So sign we have to change. So plus 8 is given. So when I will write plus 8 to this side, I will write minus 8. Sign change is very important, don't forget. So now our next step will be 2x, and here 12 minus 8 will give you 4. Okay. Now 2x, here multiplication sign is there, so this 2 will go where? It will go here in division. So this 2 will come here in denominator. So x equal to 4 upon 2. So 2 1s are and 2 2s are. So x equal to 2 is left. So this is our answer. So this way we will do. First we have to open the bracket, and then other steps are similar as what we have done in question number 1. We just have to take the terms here and there by changing the sign. Plus 8 है तो वो यहाँ पे आके minus 8 हो जाएगा, and then we will do subtraction. It will be 4, and this 2 is in multiplication. So multiplication का opposite क्या होगा? Division. So 2 यहाँ पे आएगा and we will write it in division. So this way we will write, and we will do cancellations. So this way we get the value of the variable x. So one by one we have to remove the numbers which are attached with the variable and find out the value of variable x, y, z, or whatever given in the question. Now we will see second sum. This is our second question. 3 into bracket n minus 5 equal to 21. Again bracket is given, so again first step will be we have to open the bracket. So first we have to open the bracket and remove the bracket. So how we will do that? Again this 3 which is given outside, will be multiplied with this both one by one. So 3 into n. Now you know what is 2 into x is 2x. Similarly 3 into n will be 3n. Okay, directly we are writing 3 into n will be 3n minus 3 5 Okay, this 3 will get multiplied with 5 also because both are inside the bracket. So this 3 we will multiply with both. ये जो 3 बाहर दिया है वो दोनों से multiply होगा, जो भी bracket में दिया है दोनों से. So 3 5 15 and this side 21. So bracket is now removed. Now just like simple steps we will do. So minus 15 we will take it to this side and it will become plus 15. So here 3n and this side 21 plus 15. So next step will be 3n equal to, we will add up, so 5 plus 1 6 and 2 plus 1 3, so 36. Okay, now moving ahead, again this 3n, 3n, 3 is in multiplication, so now we have to remove 3. So 3 we have to take this side. So 3 is in multiplication, so when I will take it here, it will come in division again, just like previous sum. So 36 upon 3. So cancellation is possible, 3 ones are. Here also 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So n equal to 12 is our answer of second one. Now third one is same, but here minus 21 is given. The question is 3 into bracket n minus 5 and that is equal to minus 21. So minus is given, no problem. This is also very simple. Let us start. First step is same. We will multiply 3 with this n and with this 5. With both we will multiply. So 3 into n will be 3n minus 3 5s will be 15. And this side minus 21. Okay. Now this minus 51 we will take it that side. So it will become plus 15. So यहाँ पे क्या दिया आपको minus 21. So this minus 21 is already there. Minus 15 we are taking there. So it will be plus 15. So 15 की sign change करके आपको यहाँ लिख देना है. Now next step will be 3n equal to, now minus 21 plus 15. We have seen addition and subtraction of integers. Okay. So one number is negative, another number is positive. So we will do minus. So 21 minus 15 will be 6. And we will put sign of greater number. So greater number is 21. So minus 6. So this will be our answer. Now this 3 is in multiplication. So we will take it in division this side. So ये 3 कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? यहाँ नीचे. Now 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So minus 2 is left. So n equal to minus 2. So this is the answer. यहाँ पे 2 आया था, यहाँ पे minus 2. So minus 2 is the value of the variable. Now fourth question is, now fourth one is minus 4 into bracket 2 plus x equal to 8. Now you need to multiply carefully because outside minus 4 is given. So minus 4 into 2, then minus 4 into this x. So minus 4 into 2 plus this minus 4 into x. Now minus 4 is there. So this sign we will change. Minus into plus is minus. So that is why I have written minus 4 into x. And this side equal to 8. Now minus 4 into 2. 4 2s is 8. And this minus is given. So minus 8. Now here plus minus will be minus. And 4x, 4 into x will be 4x and that is equal to 8. You can write directly also minus 4 into 2 minus 8 and minus plus is minus. So this sign will change. Whenever outside the bracket if negative sign is there, this middle sign will change. So you need to be careful when minus is given and you are multiplying with negative number. So minus 4 into x will be minus 4x. Now we have to find this 4x. Variable is given this side now. So what we will do, this minus 8 we have to take that side. Always in other sums we have seen that variable was given here first term, in the first term, but here variable is given in the second term. But no need to get confused. Now this time this number part means minus 8 we will shift that side. So minus 8 we are removing. So what is left? Minus 4x. So don't write 4x, minus 4x is left. So minus 4x equal to 8 and this minus 8 I am bringing this side. So it will be plus 8. I hope you understood. Now it will be minus 4x, and 8 plus 8 will be 16. Okay, now this minus 4 we will take it in the denominator. So it will be 16 upon minus 4. Now cancellation is possible. 4 ones are and 4 fours are 16. So x equal to, see here minus is left in the denominator and 4. So this minus sign we can take it, we can write it in the numerator. We can take it up. So it will be minus 4. X equal to minus 4. Okay, here 4 upon minus 1 is left. Now this upon minus 1, so this minus sign we can write it with 4. So actually the answer is minus 4. Now we will see the last sum of this question. So this is the question. 4 into bracket 2 minus x equal to 8. Again this 4 we will multiply with both inside the bracket. So 4 into 2, so 4 2s are 8, minus, now here minus is not there. So this will be as it is. Minus sign will be as it is. We don't have to change the sign. When we have to change the sign? When outside minus is given, outside the bracket. Now 4 into x. So 4 into x will be 4x, and that is equal to 8. Now again the variable part is given here. Okay, here x is there. Variable part is here. So this part we will keep as it is, and this 8 we will take that side. So you need to be careful. So here minus 4x will remain this side. Okay, and this 8, what is the sign of this 8? It is positive. Okay, in here no sign is given, means it is positive. 8 के आगे कोई साइन नहीं दी है, मतलब ये positive 8 है. तो इसको जब वहां ले जाएंगे, so it will become negative 8. Okay, hope you understood. So this 8 we are taking that side to RHS, and minus 4x we are keeping there only. So it will be minus 4x equal to 8 minus 8 will give you 0. So now this minus 4 we will take it in the denominator. So 0 upon minus 4. Now anything divided by 0, 0 upon kuch bhi, 0 upon 2, 0 upon 100, 0 upon 1000, 0 upon minus 4, whatever divided by 0, the answer is always 0. So x is equal to 0. So our final answer will be x equal to 0. So this is our final answer. Okay, so this was question number 2 of exercise 4.3. Hope you understood. Now we will see question number 3 of exercise 4.3. It is same like question number 2. Solve the following equations. So let us start. Here bracket is given this side on RHS side. Method is same. This 4 we will keep as it is. Now bracket is here. So we will first open the bracket. 5 will be multiplied inside the bracket with both. So 5 into p will be 5p minus 5 2s will give you 10. Now variable is given to RHS part. Variable is this side. So now 5p minus 10 is there. Number is here, variable is here. Now this minus 10 we will remove, and then this 5 we will remove. Okay, wherever variable is given, it can be on LHS part or it can be on RHS part. On any side it can be given. So now it is given this side, RHS side. So here we will do the steps. So minus 10 we will take from RHS to LHS. Again sign will change. So this side it will be 4 plus 10, and this side it will be 5p. Okay, so this 10 now we are taking this side with 4. So 4 plus 10 is 14, and this side it will be 5p. Now 5p means 5 into p. We want p. So 5 should be removed again. So this 5 we have to take it in the denominator. So 14 upon 5 equal to p. So 14 upon 5 equal to p, or you can write it that p equal to 14 upon 5. So this is equal to p, or p is equal to this. Both are same. So you can write it this way also or this way also. This is also correct and this is also correct. 14 upon 5 equal to p, or p equal to 14 upon 5. ये दोनों equal है, तो पहले इसको लिखो या इसको लिखो. That will not make any difference. So this was first one. Now next is same question, but here minus is given. Minus 4 equal to 5 into bracket p minus 2. Again we will open the bracket. This minus 4 will be as it is. Now here we will open the bracket. So 5 into p will be 5p minus 5 2s will be 10. Again same steps. This minus 10 we will take this side. So minus 4 as it is, minus 10 we are bringing here, so it will be plus 10, and this side 5p left, only 5p is left. Now here 10 minus 4 will give you 6, and this side it is 5p. So this 5 is in multiplication, so this 5 we will take now, so 5 will be in division, so 6 upon 5 equal to p. So what is the value of p? P is equal to 6 upon 5, or 6 upon 5 is equal to p. Both are same. You can write it this way or this way, both are same. Now next is, now this is next question. 16 equal to 4 plus then 3 into bracket t plus 2. So first again we will solve the bracket. So this 3 we will multiply inside with both. This we will solve first. First we will multiply this 3 and we will remove the bracket. Okay. Till then this part we will keep as it is. No change in these parts. So 16 same, equal to same, 4 will be same, plus. Now 3 we will multiply inside the bracket. So 3 into t will give you 3t, plus 3 2s will give you 6. Okay, so this was our first step. We have to multiply this, and this part we have to keep same as it is. Now on same side two numbers are given, 6 plus 4. These three terms are given on RHS part and this is given on LHS part. So you can see that 6 and 4 they are given on the same side. So without changing the place we can add it here. So we will add up. So 16 equal to, here 6 plus 4, this both we will add, so total is 10, and plus 3t is there, this 3t. Okay, now 10 plus 3t, this t we want to find, this 3 is in multiplication. Now this 10 which is in addition, 10, that we will take this side. So it will be 16 minus 10. This 10 we are taking that side. Okay, so 10 is positive. So when I will take it here, it will become negative. So that is why 16 minus 10. And this side only 3t is left with us. So 16 minus 10 equal to 3t. Now moving ahead with our next step. So next step will be 16 minus 10 will be 6, and that is equal to 3t. So 6 equal to 3t. Now this 3 is in multiplication. So this 3 will go here in division and this side t. Variable can be any side. Don't get confused. Now 3 ones are and 3 twos are. So 2 equal to t, or you can also write t equal to 2. 2 equal to t, yeah, t equal to 2. Both are same. So this was third sum. Now moving ahead with next sum. Now here it is given 4 plus 5 into bracket p minus 1 equal to 34. Now here bracket is given. Okay, this is first term, this is second term. So in second part bracket is given. So this 4 we will keep same as it is, and this 5 we will multiply inside the bracket. So 5 into p will be 5p minus 5 ones will be 5. Now equal to 34 as it is. Now this whole is our LHS part and this is our RHS part. So on LHS part means on the same side two numbers are there, so that we can solve without changing the place. So 4 minus 5 will give minus 1 plus 5p equal to 34. So this both we are solving. 4 minus 5 will be minus 1, and other part we are keeping same as it is. 5p same and equal to 34 same. Now this minus 1 we have to remove and this 5 we will remove, so we will get the value of p variable. So minus 1 we will take that side. Number we will keep with number so that we can solve. So minus 1 when we will take here, it will become plus 1. So this side only 5p will be left and this side 34 plus 1. Now 34 plus 1 will give you 35. Okay, now this 5 is in multiplication, so again it will go here in the denominator, means in division. So it will be 35 upon 5. Now 5 ones are and 5 sevens are. So p equal to 7 is our answer of the variable. Now next question is, now this is next question, 0 equal to 16 plus 4 into bracket m minus 6. So again bracket we have to solve first, other part same. So 0 will be same as it is. here 16 will be same, plus will be same. Now 4 into this bracket, so this 4 we will multiply and we will open the bracket. First we will remove bracket, so 4 into m will give 4m minus 4 6 are 24 minus, and then multiply these both, 4 6 are 24. So bracket is removed. Now this is our LHS part and this whole is our RHS part. So you can see that this 16 and 24, we have two number on the same side, so no need to change the place. Here only we can do addition subtraction. So 0 equal to, now 16 minus 24, so 16 minus 24 will be how much? So we will get minus 8 plus 4m. 16 minus 24 means 24 minus 16 will be 8, and greater number is 24, so greater number sign we will give. So these both, just like addition and subtraction of integers. So 16 minus 24 minus 8 and plus 4m as it is. Now this minus 8, now we will bring this side. Okay, सेम साइड पे पहले नंबर्स है तो वहीं पे उसको ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, उसके बाद इस तरफ लाएंगे. Now minus 8 will come here, so it will be plus 8. So 0 plus 8 and this side 4m is left. Okay, now 0 plus 8 is 8 and this side 4m. Okay, now this 4 into m, we want m, so this 4 should be removed. So this 4 we will take here in the denominator, and this side only m is left. So 4 ones are and 4 twos are. So 2 equal to m. So m means, what is the value of m? 2. So 2 equal to m or m equal to 2, both are same. So this was question number 3 of exercise 4.3.